good, people. Can you guess what I'm sitting in? Probably not. Today we're reviewing the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck.
Prepare to be awestruck by the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck, a formidable testament of modern engineering encased in an impenetrable shield of ultra stainless steel, spanning a commanding 223 inches in length and towering majestically at 76 inches in height. This visionary marvel boasts a substantial wheelbase of 143 inches and an impressive ground clearance of 12 inches. Brace yourself for this revolution in automotive prowess, unlike anything seen before. The Tesla Cybertruck, featuring a permanent synchronous motor paired with the liquid-cooled lithium-ion battery, boasting a formidable 123 kilowatts per hour capacity. This powerhouse delivers an exhilarating 600 horsepower through the Instant Torque 525 variant, propelling from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 3.9 seconds, achieving a top speed of 112 miles per hour. Prepare to redefine your expectations of performance and innovation in automotive technology. Durable and rugged enough to go anywhere. Tackle anything with electronically adaptive air suspension that offers 12 inches of travel and 16 inches of clearance. An ultra hard stainless steel exoskeleton helps reduce dents, damage, and long-term corrosion. Repairs are simple and quick. Also, the MSRP is $120,000. Now let's step into the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. You have underfloor storage with aluminum pedals. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your turn signals and your headlight switch. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your volume control, voice command, and your windshield wiper. A massive 18.5 Infinity touchscreen featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Tesla's graced you with 3 cameras, a front camera, a left camera, and a right camera. One of my favorite features is the Tesla Theater, where you have Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube all at your fingertips. No need for a traditional handle, you have a button to open your door. Looking down on your door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have a dual charging pad where you can charge your phone. This is also where you start your car. You'll place your card here in the center. You have your cup holder area. Now we are making our way inside the center console. We've made our way up to your interior lighting with your hazard lights. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle, where we're greeted with black leather seats. Right here, we're looking at a 9.4-inch touchscreen display where your passengers have the option to watch Netflix, TikTok, or YouTube.
But I'm 5'11" with a little leg room, with a lot of headroom.
Looking down on your door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now let's access the bed of the truck, which is a 6x4. Operate your tools or charge any EV with integrated 120 volt and 240 volt bed and cabin outlets. Now we're making our way to the front of the vehicle for more storage space.
Right now we're in the Tesla Cybertruck. First time on the road with the Tesla Cybertruck. Man, we're getting nothing but looks. I say that if you get a Tesla Cybertruck, you're gonna get nothing but looks. But my thoughts on driving it, man, it's pretty smooth. It's turned by wire, so yeah, it's not that mechanical. But if you're used to like any other car, stuff like that, like the turning radius is very precise. So you turn and you see that? You just assume one little turn, the wheel's just ready to turn. Because of the fact that it's turned by wire, it's not mechanical like traditional vehicles. Yeah. But driving this is very smooth and very eye-opening. I'm not gonna say lies. It looks big from the inside, but it's pretty like you spot on where you at, you know. So this is pretty cool, man. Boy, it put that to 45 already. But you know, that's that instant torque that you're looking at. Also, this is that one pedal drive. So you know, you got that one pedal drive, and it just stopping. You know, it's gonna stop. Like my thoughts on it right now, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to actually be driving a Tesla Cybertruck. Man, I ain't gonna say a lie. I just gotta be really honest with you guys, man. Like it's a surreal moment. I'm gonna be honest with you. Wow. Man, Tesla thought their car was actually moving out. Yeah. And it's that yoke steering wheel, but it's just that closed steering wheel right there. But it's like that yoke. It's Tesla new steering wheel. Your turn signals is right here on the steering wheel. You know, if you want to go left, you want to go right, and then as you can see, I'm going right, and you got your turn signal with your camera. If I go left, I got my turn signal with my left camera. It's very unique. Like yeah, you can drive this thing with one hand. I ain't gonna say lie. Woo! Dang, that was the pull right there. That was even a 60. The wife was holding the camera. She said, "Yo, calm it down." She was a little nervous. I ain't gonna say a lie, but it's pretty cool. You got your forward-facing camera, then you got your rear-facing camera. So you know you can record your lap times and everything like that. You can adjust your suspension on this. Right now, my suspension is low. Boy, it hit 45 real quick. Zero to 45 real quick. I ain't gonna say in front. Dang, it's nice. It's very nice. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.